Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to pay GST to ATO. If you are registered for GST in Australia, you must report and pay it through your Business Activity Statement, also known as BAS. First, log into your MyGov account and access the Australian Taxation Office Business Services. Open your latest BAS and check the GST section carefully. You will need to enter your total sales, GST collected from customers, and GST credits for business purchases. Make sure all figures match your accounting records and invoices. After calculating the net amount, the system will show whether you owe GST or are due a refund. If you owe GST, you can pay it directly through the ATO portal using BPay, debit card, or other listed payment options. Always pay before the due date to avoid penalties or interest charges. Once payment is made, keep the receipt for your records and confirm it appears in your ATO account. Subscribe the channel for more videos.